Here is the video to show you part 2 of your chapter 2 individual quiz. I have already marked for question number 1 that says find y. I've already marked that because the lines are parallel, all of the obtuse angles I marked in yellow, all of the acute angles I marked in blue, because I remember all the blues are equal, all the yellows are equal, and 1 blue plus 1 yellow equals 180. Okay, so I notice, of course, I eventually want to find y, which is yellow, which is the same as this yellow, but I want to use two expressions that have the same variable of x in an equation together. And a blue and a yellow are not equal to each other. A blue and a yellow add up to be equal to 180. So my first equation is going to look like this. I'm adding blue plus yellow to make 180 degrees. On the left side of the equal sign, I'm going to combine like terms to get 32x plus 4 equals 180. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides to get 176. I'm going to divide 176 by 32 to get 5.5. X is 5.5. Okay, but again, I don't want to know what x is, I want to know what y is. Y is yellow, so I care about this one. I don't really care about the blue one anymore. It just was there to help me find what x is. So I want to do 20 times 5.5 plus 34. And I would get 144 degrees. And what that means is every single yellow angle in this picture is 144 degrees. Excuse me, which means y is 144 degrees, which was what I was looking for. Okay, in the second question, it asks me to find angle A, and I can see that there are 3 angles in a triangle, and I know that the 3 angles in a triangle, when you add them together, make 180 degrees. So this equation is add 5 plus 7x minus 6 plus 3x minus 9 equals 80. And again, on this left side, I have to combine like terms. I get 10x minus 10 equals 180. I add 10 to both sides, so I have 10x equals 190. I divide both sides by 10, and I get x equals 19. Again, it asks me for angle A, so up here I'm going to do 7 times 19 minus 6 in my calculator, and I get 127 degrees. So angle A is equal to 127 degrees. Okay, last part of the quiz, place symbols on the picture to properly indicate that it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, 3 sides are equal. That's an equilateral triangle. If you also showed me the 3 angles are equal, you're correct. It just wasn't necessary. Isosceles right triangle, okay, you have to put in that it's a right angle, a right triangle. Isosceles means 2 sides are the same, and these 2 legs would be the 2 that would have to be the same. The longest side, called the hypotenuse, cannot be the same as one of the legs.